Matt, how far are you driving tonight?
Lexington.
So we got to go next door and put some ice in it. But look at the color match.
Look at,
it's not 100%.
Look at that. That is like right there.
So that's like right there for you.
That is
Still something extra for the extra weight that you had.
That is awesome.
Over, put some ice and some drinks in it, some cheese for the Green Bay Packer
This
fan.
is going to be a great opportunity for me to really bond and learn all the features of it, you know, going down the road. Now, Neal promised me he was going to fit in my garage. So he promised he's going to
build a big garage.
Might have to cut the header out a little bit, maybe get the sawzall and shave a couple inches out of there.
So today is a special one. They're all special, y'all. They're all special, but this one is next level. Matt Slat's from Wisconsin. Yeah, that's right, Wisconsin, and a huge Green Bay Packers fan. When they play the Lions in January, Real Deal and the fam, we headed up that way. Gonna be great. Matt and I gonna reconnect, get some more shots, and check out his ride up north, y'all. What you know about that? So a long evolution in this process. It took months and months of ordering and waiting and waiting. All great things are worth the wait, especially from us right here at Wild Willies at Akins. Matt, if you're ready, let's go. I'm gonna go ahead and let you know, this one is holding the title, y'all, for the best leveled on 35s Covert edition. I love this, a great balance. You know, we do so many leveled on 37s, which are phenomenal, but not everybody wants that big of a tire. So a great balance right here in a Nitto Ridge Grapper tire, 325/60/20. The Ridge Grapper hybrid tire, you've heard me talk about it time after time again. Great overall longevity, and I hear Mustang, yeah. By the way, they just released the new S650 last night. Truly pumped about that, especially the dark horse, y'all. We're seeing about 50,000 miles, 50 to 60 out of this if you rotate properly, in a 325/60/20 Nitto Ridge Grapper. That hybrid tire that's so special and popular. It measures out just over a 35 and just wider than 13 inches. So a great balance. If you went with a true 35, 12.5/20, it's not even truly 35 inches tall, it's 34.5, and then exactly 12.5 wide. So this tire size here gets you above a 35 and over 13 inches wide. Other tires in the same segment, like the Toyo AT3, are closer to a 36. So really pay attention to those overall sizes. Even though it may say a metric tire size, it truly equates out to all different sizes based on the brand. And several trucks Matt took inspiration from, and this is like the best version of them all in my opinion, and nice and clean, leveled on 35s, y'all. Amazing. Let me know what you think about. What's your overall experience in the past about 37s versus 35s? But I love that side shot right there. Carbonized gray is always a hit, and it was a Lariat Sport package from the factory, so it already had several components done up. And with the Lariat Sport, things like the headlights and side badges and bumpers are either done up in body color or black. So factory headlight in black, I love. Side badge as well, but we went next level with the side mirrors, because all that lower portion in this area here was a texture black, like this back portion here. On premium, but it works and vibes on this side portion here because you got a little texture there rolling down to your Amp Research power deployable running board. A great balance to flow through. But just the mirrors, doing those, whether a combination of black and or carbonized or all of both, this is a money setup. And even coming around, smoke that side turn signal, and all of your entire portion around where the mirror is done up in carbonized as well. Truly makes it feel more elegant, because when you're inside the vehicle, you're looking at painted smooth parts rather than textured black parts. A quick glimpse inside the interior. You've seen me roll on and on about the interior, about that 12 inch. Look at that start up. Setting the stage for everything. Great amenities and creature comforts, blind spot monitor, adaptive cruise control, and more. Just everything you could ask for out of a luxury truck that can tow it all with style, y'all. Twin pedal moonroof, airbags from Air Ride, as well as upfitter switches to accommodate all of our accessories. And look at how the Amp Research power deployable running board drops down 3 inches lower than the factory board, like magic going up. I've teased you about the tire, but back to the wheel. Fuel Blitz in gloss black, 20x9. We went back and forth on the offset, but we know that this plus 20 right here is where it's at for overall benefit. So we knew that him being up north, he was going to have to not be as aggressive on our mild to wild scale. So we're right mid-level range, sticking out about 2.5 inches overall. You know, the front's going to stick out slightly more than the rear, always does on the Super Duties. But then, have you noticed this grille? The grille comes black. We did our own two-tone combination of the agate black and the carbonized just in the center stack there. So you just like, you wonder, you're like, package is this truck? Because I know Ford does not do a grill in that fashion. Wow, yeah. Doing things like no one else, setting the stage for Peak Customs to make your everyday enjoyment that much better. Trimmer valence up front, looking so menacing and clean and not old or outdated at all. Just a great covert edition. Fox shocks front and rear. Fox single steering stabilizer to sure up that front end steering. And the AMP research board just make the truck appear that much taller. It's just a sleeker, cleaner vibe. Yes, they are pretty pricey, y'all. Nearly $2,000 or more installed. Definitely worth it all. Got a nice low pro roll-up bed cover out back, nice and sleek from Truck Hero. See, it sticks up maybe 3/4 of an inch. That's all tried and true roll-up from Truck Hero. Go America, y'all. Can't say it enough. God bless the USA. Side tail light, you can just see right here from the side with that carbonized, and then smoke the top and bottom portion where the light emits. Then a gate black that bad boy. So the applique that we created in the Lariat, there's no applique here at all. It's usually body color. Did our own, a gate black throughout that portion there. That's just like a different vibe, y'all. One of my favorite, y'all, started off with Richard Patch back in the day on Magnus, but this has got to be one of the cleanest tails to me just because we created our own. It's kind of more inset than an outlay, and then your Super Duty letters are raised, kept those carbonized, a little SRQ down here at the bottom and carbonized. Yeah, y'all. That's why it's the champ. On 35s, we've done many of leveled on 37s, but a leveled on 35 rendition, rear wheel well liners in the back, Fox shocks rocking as well with our airlift, air ride, ready to tow it all and conquer. You know, I love the swing case. It's a great way to keep storage items right here at your dispense without having to go all the way back in there to reach something. And then a spray-in liner from Akins, guaranteed for life. Wrapping this one up, one last look. I'm so pumped. You know, the Green Bay Packers have the same helmet as Georgia. Georgia copied the Packers back in the day, but there is a connection there. I've always liked the Packers because of the logo being so similar, and then have a lot of great athletes there too. So very excited to see Matt again. And you guys subscribe to this channel, hit that like button if you enjoy this, because you'll see stuff like this daily on our channel. And then secondly, when we go up to see Matt in January in the frozen tundra, we're going to take many more pictures and get some hopefully rolling shots maybe up in the snow of this beauty right here. Leveled on 35s. Peace out. Yes.